Hello everyone. In the video, we are going to cover 5 best handheld gaming PCs in the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are going to give you an impartial review to help you out to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. For more info and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, make sure to check the links in the description below. Let's start. Number 1. Our best pick is Daxceirry Handheld Android System Game Console. This is a great change from previous machines with better overall performance. It is not only a game console, but also a small computer. An impressive 5.36 inches OCA full lamination screen has excellent anti-seismic and anti-knock performance, which greatly improves the overall safety, reliability, durability, and aesthetics of the touch screen, and effectively maintains the stability and long-term use of the touch screen. The CPU of RK3399 is big. Little core architecture with hexa-core 64-bit A72x2 plus A53x4 processor. The RK3399 chip also provides full support for systems compatible with Android and Linux operating systems. The biggest feature of this handheld game is to support dual system operation. You can play various Android games. Supporting vibration motor, WII, NGC, NDS, Saturn, N64, DC, PSP, PS1, OpenBore, CPS1, CPS2, CPS3, FBA, Neo Geo, Neo Geo Pocket, GBA, GBC, GB, SFC, FC, MD, SMS, GG, MSX, PCE, WSC, transplant games, etc. 20 kinds of games format. In addition, support users to download the relevant format of the game. It is recommended to use the official charger in the box because the machine is only partially adapted to the charger. Not adapted to the charger charging may cause the yellow light to flash and thus stop working. Number 2. Our second best pick is Gpd Win 3 Mini Handheld Video Game Console. The Gpd Win 4 should become widely available in the coming months, but for now, its predecessor, the Gpd Win 3, is your best bet for a handheld gaming PC with a built-in keyboard. Unlike most handheld PCs, which require you to hook up an external keyboard, this one puts one at your fingertips. Like the stylish smartphones from the past, the Gpd Win 3 features a screen that can slide out of the way to reveal a keyboard underneath. It might be small for some users, but it's better than finding space to prop up an external keyboard. Rounding out its feature list is a 5.5-inch display, 1280 by 720 resolution, Iris-Say GPU, and 16 GB RAM. While a bit expensive at $1,500, it's one of the most unique handheld gaming PCs you can buy in 2022. Number 3. Our third best pick is OneXPlayer Mini Handheld Game Console. Although this is a remarkably powerful handheld that can easily run most games, you'll pay a hefty price for that privilege. Clocking in at well over $1,200. One Netbook spared no expense in crafting this premium handheld PC. This is an excellent option for gaming on the go. Available with a variety of specs, Ryzen, Intel, this handheld PC can play hit games like Grand Theft Auto 5 and other demanding games without breaking a sweat. And even though its footprint is slim, it still features a vivid 7-inch screen with a 1920 by 1200 resolution. This 7-inch gorgeous display, more suitable for the Palm PC, restores more delicate images. Variety modes that can be switched, like Game Console Mode, Desktop Office Mode, Large Screen TV Mode. Dual USB 4.0 ports support external 4K monitors. A big selling point of it is Windows, which comes pre-installed as the default OS. This gives you the versatility of playing games across multiple storefronts, including Steam, Epic Games Store, GOG, and more. Not everything is compatible with the device. I ran into trouble playing Warframe and Lost Ark, but there's still a massive library of games to choose from. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is Gpd Win 3-core i7-1165G7 handheld game console. 550G weight, product size is 198 by 92 by 27 mm, convenient to carry. Play games anytime and anywhere during your leisure time, such as traveling, going to work, and evening resting. 5.5-inch touch sunlight screen, 1280 by 720 resolution, 400 nit, 268 ppi, using Corning's 5th generation Gorilla Glass DC dimming. No need to worry about the graininess of the screen, and much more vivid colors. Supports 65 WPD2. 0 fast charging, using Type-C interface at the bottom of the device via USB 4 interface. Fully charged for about 1.5 hours, battery life lasts 2-3 hours for heavy games, 6 to 8 hours for moderate use, and 11 hours for light use. The keyboard is hidden at the bottom of the screen. When slide out the screen, the keyboard will be exposed. This design will reduce the product size. The keyboard is with white backlight. CPU Core i7-1165G7 inside, Intel Gen 12 Iris-A graphics, playing games more powerful. Number 5. Our fifth best pick is AYANEO Air Pro 5. 5 inches OLED handheld PC game console. This model PC game console is powered by a 6-cores/12 threads AMD Ryzen 5 5560U processor. Base frequency 2.3 GHz, max turbo frequency up to 4 GHz. Coupled with the integrated AMD Radeon graphics suite, the AYANEO Air can provide strikingly smooth performance in numerous games and emulators and is truly considerable as a handheld gaming PC. This game console has a 5 inches OLED screen with 1920 by 1080 resolution, native landscape 404 ppi. The screen covers over 109% NTSC color space, and it has 350 nit peak brightness. Contrast ratio 1:0:0:0:0:1. You will be provided with very great game images every single frame. Make sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.